Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss a previous year question of SSC CGL. And the question is, when 12, 16, 18, 20 and 25 divide the least number x, the remainder in each case is 4. But x is divisible by 7. So what is the digit at the thousands place in x? So we have to find out the value of x. Then we have to find out the thousands place of it. And whenever you will see this keyword in any question, always remember that you have to find out the LCM of the number. So for finding out the LCM of all these numbers, let us solve 12, 16, 18, 20 and 25. These are the numbers. So step 1 will be to find out the LCM of all these numbers. There are many ways of finding out the LCM. So you can choose any one way. So we will factorize and find out that 12 is equal to 2 square multiplied by 3. 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 square. 20 is equal to 2 square multiplied by 5 and 25 is equal to 5 square. Therefore, LCM is equal to 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 2, which is equal to 16 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 25 is equal to 3600. Now let us solve. Now you must be thinking how we have done this long multiplication so easily. As you know, 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 100. And in this multiplication, 16 means what? 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by the number 9 multiplied by 25. Now 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 100. 100 0, these two digits we have written, and 9 4s are 36. So the multiplication is very easy here. So the LCM we have got. This means that 3600 is a number which is perfectly divisible by all of them with the remainder 0. But according to the question, the remainder is 4 in each case. So the number will be x is equal to 3600 k plus 4, where k is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now let's proceed towards the solution. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends and explore more questions. Now see children, let's proceed towards the next step of this question. When k is equal to 1, then x is equal to how much? 3604. When k is equal to 2, then x is equal to how much? 7204. When k is equal to 3, then x is equal to 10,804. Now the next step will be apply divisible by 7 condition. See, in the question it is given the number is completely divisible by 7. Now that means x must be divisible by 7. So we will check the value of k. For example, when k is equal to 1, in that case the number is 3604. Is it divisible by 7? No, because remainder is equal to 6 in this case. When k is equal to 2, then the number x is equal to 7204, and when we will divide it by 7, then is it completely divisible by 7? No, because there will be remainder 1. So this number is also not possible. When k is equal to 3, then what will happen? It is 10,804. You must be thinking that in exam we will not have so much time to do such a long calculation. So I'll tell you the short way also. Now let's proceed towards the conceptual solution of the question. So 10,804 divided by 7 gives remainder 3. So this number is also not possible. When k is equal to 4, then the number will be 14,404 divided by 7. Is it completely divisible? No, because in this case remainder is equal to 5. So this number is also rejected. Now k is equal to 5. When we will put k is equal to 5, then the value of x is equal to 18,004. When we will divide it by 7, then it gives the remainder 0, because this number is completely divisible by 7. So the smallest number of x is equal to 18,004. Now the final step towards the solution of this question is to find out the digit at the thousands place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So the answer will be 8. So viewers, you have got the detailed solution of this question in the conceptual manner. Now let's find out the shortcut way of solving this question. Viewers, shortest way of solving this question is as follows. First of all, we have to find out the LCM of all these numbers. Here I am going to tell you another way of finding out the LCM of the numbers. So 12, 16, 18, 20 and 25 are the numbers. Now let's proceed. Out of all these numbers, most of the numbers are divisible by 2. So we will factorize by 2. So here it will be 6. 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20 and we will copy down 25 as it is. Again we have to proceed with 2 only. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now copy down 9, 2 5s are 10, then again copy down 25. Now what to do? Now let's proceed with the digit 3. Now here 3 1s are 3, 4, 3 3s are 9, 5 and 25. Now what to do? Now let's find out 5 and 25. So let's the prime factor 5. Here we will put 1, 4, 3. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So here the LCM is equal to how much? 2 multiplied by 2, these two. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 into 4 into 3 into 5. So the answer will be how much? The answer will be, by multiplying all these numbers, we will get 3600. So this 3600 is completely divisible by all these numbers, but we have to find out the remainder 4 in each case. So the required number will be equal to 3600y plus 4, which is divisible by 7 also. Now 3600y is equal to 514 multiplied by 7 multiplied by y, we will write, plus 2y plus 4. How we came to know? Just divide this number by 7. You will find out that this number is not completely divisible by 7, but the nearest of this number, that is 3598, is completely divisible by 7. So we will write it as 3598y plus 2y. Now 3598y means what? 514 into 7, and we will copy down the variable y as it is. So this number is broken in the form of 3598 plus 2y, 3598y plus 2y plus 4 as it is. So now this part is completely divisible by 7. Now we have to find out the value of y, for which this part is divisible by 7. So 2y plus 4 is divisible by 7 for y is equal to 5. How? It is very easy to find out. In the previous method, you have done it by writing, and here you can do it mentally. 2 multiplied by 1 plus 4. The number is not divisible by 7. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4. In that case also, the resultant is not divisible by 7. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4, which is equal to how much? 10. This number is also not divisible by 7. Now 2 multiplied by 4 plus 4, which is equal to how much? 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. This number is also not completely divisible by 7. Now 2 multiplied by 5 plus 4, which is equal to 14, and this number is completely divisible by 7. So the value of x is equal to 3600 into 5 plus 4. Here 3600 into 5 plus 4. So the digit in the thousands place is how much? Digit in the thousands place is 18,004. Out of this, the thousands place is the digit 8. So our answer will be the digit 8, that is option number B. Viewers, if you have liked this solution, then please subscribe our channel. Go through all the videos for your further exams of SSC CGL and stay connected and tap the bell icon to get the regular updates. Thank you.